Okay, so today is the day I will start developing my app, and I've decided to call it Baldo.ai, so it's BALDO.ai. I don't really know yet what the first version is going to look like, but now I will walk you through my brainstorming so we can figure it out together. Okay, so the first ideas are down, and let me show you what I have written. Now, Baldo.ai, I want it to be focused on proactivity, meaning that the app primary objective will be to keep the user accountable, to build momentum, and in the end, possibly to make the user succeed in whatever goals he is pursuing. Now, in regards to the MVP version of the app, I wanted to include these three features, which are task and goal tracking, probably with a calendar. I've written checklist or calendar, but I will probably go with option number 2. Then I wanted to be able to send personalized reminders, meaning that the AI will understand your goals, how important they are to you, and maybe even how you should prepare to get some tasks done, to then craft a personalized message that it sends to you, and hopefully it's going to help you out in getting it done, but also getting it done the best possible way. And then feature number 3 is accountability analytics. So what I want this to be, I was thinking of having a couple of graphics on the dashboard of the app that are tracking down, so they are showing you how disciplined you are being over the last few days, what you could do better, and something in this direction. I think that for me personally, it can be a very interesting app that I would use myself on a daily basis, which is actually the primary objective behind why I am building such an app. And let's start building now. I have no idea about how to start building this stuff, but we'll figure it out. So now we will actually do some research on how to proceed with building the actual app, so the first version of it, and what better way to do so than with some help from ChatGPT itself. So what I'm doing here is giving it the image of the whiteboard that I've just shown you before, and asking, I want to build this app, but I don't have a clue about how to do so. Where and how can I start building it? Let's see what it gives us. Thinking longer for a better answer. You better do so. You better do so. And it better be a good answer. It will probably tell me to do some no-code stuff, as I have no experience with coding itself. But I actually want to do some coding because I don't want to rely on other platforms, but we'll see. Awesome. Baldo.ai is a perfect first app project. Here's a no-nonsense builder's path you can start on today. With 2 routes, no code first for speed, code path for power. Pick one and execute. Define the tiny MVP, 2 weeks max. Scope only what's on your board. Create goals and tasks, blah 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 blah. Success metric for V1, 60% of created tasks get a response, done or snooze within. What the fuck is he saying? Is this English? Anyways, fastest path, no code in 1-2 days. Data Airtable, app UI, glide, blah blah blah. So this is the no code path. But we want the durable path. Frontend, next.js, app router, TypeScript, Tailwind. I don't have a clue about what this stuff is, but I will ask ChatGPT now to lead me step by step with the durable path because we are here to stay. What the fuck is this, guys? I've installed Node.js, I think that's what it's called, and now I've got this stuff. A whole ton of nonsense running on my computer. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. After 15 minutes of troubleshooting, I've managed to install Node.js. And now we are downloading Visual Studio Code. From my understanding now, we are ready to start building the app. Chat says, perfect, that's exactly where we want to be. You now have Node.js installed, VS Code installed and running. So you're officially ready to start building Baldo. Let's go step by step. So I'm stuck on the first of many roadblocks probably that I will encounter in this journey, and this time it's right here. Don't ask me what it is. I'm following ChatGPT's instructions. Anyways, make sure to subscribe because it's going to be a very interesting and probably frustrating journey as well. It's going to be very interesting to see where we are going to end up, hopefully with a working app. Then, whether it's going to be a great app or not, we'll see. Up to now, I'm stuck on creating a folder basically. No, I actually just managed to create the folder. It took me about an hour to do so. And I was imagining it to be hard, but not that I would get stuck so easily in the process. But as I said, subscribe and I'll catch you in the next episode of developing my first app.